Hello hungry fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few potato hacks and test if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first hack, place one potato over the chopsticks. It's better if you use the square ones. Then start cutting into thin slices but don't go all the way through. Then in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon olive oil, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix it and brush it all over the potato, even inside the slits, and bake it for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over it. Let's taste it now. It's cooked through. The taste is also amazing. I didn't brush the marinade well. That's why it's a bit bland from inside. But the hack totally works and it's a success. For the next hack, I have 2 boiled and mashed potato. Add half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup each of corn flour, coriander leaves and carrot. Mix it and transfer into a piping bag. Now pipe out the batter directly on the hot oil. Cut it using a scissor. Let it fry from both the sides until they are nice and golden brown. Let's taste it now. The taste is so good. It's perfectly crisp from the outside and soft from the inside. It kind of tastes like McCain's potato shots. Undoubtedly, this hack was a success. For making potato pancakes, again I have 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 cup of corn flour. Mix and make it into a dough-like consistency. Using your fingers, take a small portion. Place the cheddar cheese in the center. Make it into a ball and flatten it out. Now add 1 tablespoon oil in a pan and place the potato pancakes, which look more like aloo tikki. Shallow fry from both the sides until golden brown. Let's give it a taste. It looks pretty good and the cheese is also melted. The taste is nice. It is sweet as well as salty. I think it will be better if you skip adding sugar and just add salt and black pepper powder. It would be a great starter option. But yes, this is also good, so the hack is successful. For the next hack, I'm going to poke 4 toothpicks around the potato. Place it in the glass filled with water. Set it aside for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now remove the potato from the water and take out all the toothpicks. Slice it using a slicer. I don't know if you can see, but the slices I'm getting are actually a bit cold. So this hack of soaking the potato in water is amazing. Now roll these slices on a foil paper and bake for 8 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So this is how my first batch looks. It was completely stuck, and this is the second batch where I applied oil on the foil paper and then rolled the potato slices. Again, it's the same. I guess the potato I used was not as large as them, but I couldn't find a huge potato, so I don't know. I give this hack a 50-50. For the last hack, I have 3 boiled and mashed potato. Add 1 teaspoon paprika or red chili powder, half teaspoon salt and half cup of corn flour. Mix and make it into a smooth dough. Roll it into kind of a log shape and let it boil until it's cooked. It took almost 30 minutes for this log to cook. The edges are not smooth at all. Let's cut and see. You can clearly see the difference. I can't see the rings like them. Now I'm going to let it dry for a day. This is how it looks. It looks very weird. It turned black immediately and the white part is the corn flour. Let's fry from both the sides and see the results. Now it doesn't look as bad, but it's completely different from the video. Let's taste it. Okay, the taste is also equally weird. I don't know what I did wrong, but the hack is not working for me and it is a busted hack. Today's shout out goes to Rachel, Shobna Jacob, Archie Khandelwal, Elizabeth Solomon and Shalu Chaturvedi, who actually is Asta. If you want to shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.